More news coming in at this point in time. From Bihar again, RJD and VIP deal is done. After hectic late-night meetings, according to sources within the party, within VIP, the party has a final offer of 18 seats. Mukesh Sahani and Tejasvi Yadav have come to a consensus, we hear, after a prolonged deadlock that we had seen over seat sharing. VIP is now happy with 18 seats, is what we are learning. Piyush Mishra is getting in more details on that big story that he's tracking. Piyush, we in fact had a sense up until yesterday that the RJD was very unhappy with VIP. Now it seems the dust has settled here.
Well, that's right, Sneha. What we're now learning is that Mukesh Sahni and Tejasvi Yadav have now reached on a consensus, and very soon we can expect the announcement also from the side of Mark Gadpandhan of the list of candidates, and also about the seat sharing. Why? Because the nomination, last date of nomination for the first phase of election is October 17, and before that all candidates will have to file their nomination, and most likely today we're expecting a seat sharing formula of Mark Gadpandhan to be out. But on the other side, not only in Mark Gadpandhan, but in NDA also, there's a lot of confusion. There was a late night meeting at the residence of Upendra Kushwaha, where senior leaders of BJP, including Nityanand Rai, Samrat Chaudhary, and various others had reached out to him, and they tried to, got him on board because he was unhappy with the seat sharing, and also not only seat sharing, also on the choice of candidates, on choice of seats. Those are being allotted to other parties like LJP and JDU. Now what we are told is that Upendra Kushwaha is on his way to Delhi. Today he is going to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah, and after that things will be settled in NDA. That's what is being expected. So there is a confusion which persists not only in NDA but also in Mark Gadpandhan, and this is taking place near at a time when the nomination date is inching closer for the first phase. Though JDU is saying that they are going to release their first list by today afternoon, from tomorrow onwards Nitish Kumar will start campaigning, but confusion is still there in both the camps. We'll have to wait and watch for how long this will continue, and when will these political parties will reach on a consensus.
Right, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting us up to speed with those details as far as the seat sharing arrangement between the RJD and the VIP here is concerned. 18 seats for VIP, and they seem to be satisfied with what has been offered to them.